Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aldi Anggiarah, and in the last week I already discussed about the first procedure of doing a needs analysis, and now I will explain a little about the second procedure doing a needs analysis: gathering information. So, to understand about gathering information, we must answer two questions. What does gathering information means, and what things are important to do? Gathering information is process of collecting data, and there are at least two important things to do: distributing the questionnaire and processing the data from the questionnaire. Now, how to distribute the questionnaires? There are two ways: manual distribution and virtual distribution. Manual distribution divided by two. Meet the participants in a room. This is done if target group over 20 students, and meet the participants in person. And the second way is virtual distribution. Virtual distribution: send the questionnaires to the participants' email address to be completed and sent back after the completion. So this is done if the participants are in different city or far from us. Okay, next, processing information from the questionnaires. Before processing information, we must decide what sort of information is required. So we have to know introduction, personal information, and perceptions on the need of speaking course availability, and we have to know linguistic needs. That means abilities, students, level of proficiency, priorities, language item, and we have to know learning needs, problems, weakness, and difficulties in learning, and attitudes participants. Now, we'll talk about how to process the information. There are three ways. The first, tabulating the information. Second, presenting the data in the form of tables. The third, the last one, providing analysis regarding the data. Tabulating the information. Tabulating means to arrange information from the questionnaires in columns on a page so that it can be analyzed. Presenting the data in the form of tables. How to presenting the data? We have to calculating the frequency to find out average scores. We have to multiply the scores category with frequency, adding up all the scores, dividing by the population, and we have to making tables to present the data, and we also have to describing the mean scores by using scales. And the next, providing analysis regarding the data. An analysis is required from data description. It should be done in three ways. The first, giving comments to the data presentation. That means commonly focus on special information. The second one, providing relevant supporting information. That means analytical statements based on the presented data supported by statements of the participants in the interview. And the last one, we have to drawing calculations. That means showing the most important information gained from the data presentation which may be supported by literature or other relevant research findings. So maybe that's all from me. That's all from me. Thank you for the opportunity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.